Hi loves, let me show you how to get a glossy lip look using a cheap lip gloss. Shh, don't tell anyone. First, I would like to say thank you so much for the engagement I got on my previous lip gloss video. And if you haven't seen it, please go and check it out. So let's get right into this video without further rambling. You know it is not a lip combo video without our lip liner and the star of today, our lip gloss. Yeah, I know this lip gloss is different from the one we used last time. This is my eyeshadow palette, but it comes with 6 different shades of lip stain, so we're using that. And yeah, I'm showing you the colors I have on the palette, but don't worry, we're just using 2 shades. And if you don't have lip stains, you can just use lipstick and that works perfectly. First of all, we have to line our lip, obviously. You can line your lip however you want, but just remember you need enough space to apply your lip tint or your lipstick. If you don't have what I have, just use a lipstick and it works perfectly. After doing that, it's time to let the magic happen. Yes, guys. So we're picking 2 colors, the light pink and the light red. That's the combo we're using because we're going for this natural pink lip look. I struggle out here. So let's join the pink lip gang, even though it's just for a day. It works, okay? It works for pictures. So let's get right to the next step. And now welcome the star of the day, the lip gloss. This brand is Squeeze and Shine and it is just 150 naira. It's very affordable and it works perfectly. The pink pigment works fine and it tastes amazing. It smells amazing too. So guys, get you one. Trust the process, loves. This will turn out amazing. If you try this out, please comment down below. And here we have the final look. Wow, the skin giving glow, and then I had to zoom it up a little bit for you guys to see how beautiful, how pretty it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm giving melanin pop in. Make sure you subscribe, share to friends and family, and like this video. Thank you for watching, loves. Bye.